We did a frog dissection a couple days ago to learn about the cardiorespiratory system in both frogs and humans. So the word cardio actually refers to the heart and the pumping of blood that it does. The word respiratory refers to the breathing in of air or oxygen for our cells and muscles.
Oh, it's not even touching how to work.
So when we're looking at the cardiorespiratory system, we've got two main organs we are concerned about. The first is the heart, and you see the heart here in the frog, and this is the human heart. And you'll notice straight away that the human heart actually has 4 chambers, and it's not as obvious, but the frog heart has 3 chambers. So we've got the heart. So that is the cardio part of our cardiorespiratory system. Its job is to pump blood out to all of the organs in the body, and then the blood comes back to the heart, and it pumps it to the lungs.
And it's new blood.
New blood. No, it's the same blood that circulates through our whole body.
What the?
I know, it's crazy. So then the next thing for the respiratory system, what ends up happening is you breathe in oxygen, represented by O2, and it goes down our windpipe or our trachea and into our lungs. Okay, so the part of our respiratory system are our lungs. In humans, we've got a muscle across the bottom of our belly called a diaphragm that puts pressure on the lungs so that they can expand and contract. So pretty much you can see there's 2 things that are the same in both the cardiorespiratory system of the frog and the human, and that's that there's red blood and blue blood in the picture. The red blood shows oxygenated blood. So when the oxygen comes into the trachea, into the lungs, it gets oxygenated or picks up the oxygen molecules. It then travels into the ventricle of our heart and is pumped out through the atria to other parts or organs of our body. You can see that it goes through the kidneys. And not only does the oxygen getting to the kidneys allow the kidneys to function better, but it is also cleaned out at the kidneys. The oxygenated blood also travels through the liver, to the liver, and it is cleaned out in the liver as well.
It's called different blood.
And in our lab or our work on the digestive system, you learn that the liver produces bile for breakdown of fats. So anyways, then the blood continues along its path. It's deoxygenated now, okay? And this set of capillaries down here just represents muscles and stuff that require the oxygen in addition to our kidneys and our liver. So anyways, the oxygen heads back through the veins and into the right side of our heart, which appears on the left to us because it's like as if it's sitting in the person's chest and they're laying on the ground in front of us. And it moves from the heart's ventricle into the atrium, where it is then pumped to the lungs for reoxygenation.